Japanese can be hard, but let's start with some easy and basic sentences to get you started. Let's start with a noun. This is inu. Inu means dog. This is des. This means it is. So you put it together and it becomes inu des. This means it is a dog. Now when it comes to nouns plus des, the des makes the sentence polite. If I wanted to be casual, then I would just say da, inu da. So now you know that da means it is. Okay, the next thing that we are going to learn is noun plus wa. So wa can be translated as for. So for an example, you can say kore wa inu da. As for this, it is a dog. Another example could be watashi wa inu da. And this means, as for me, I am a dog. Let's do another example. Kore wa pen da or kore wa pen desu. Both mean, as for this, it is a pen. So now that we know how to say noun wa is noun, next time we are going to learn how to say noun wa is not noun. Okay? Bye.